Hi, this is Mary. Welcome to my channel, My Beautiful Mess, and today we're going to do an all-new plan with me. I'm doing this in my classic vertical. This is my catch-all where I have all my everyday plans. So today I'm going to be using primarily the travel sticker book. I have a big plans to go see a friend of mine that I haven't seen in a long time, and I plan on leaving Thursday night and I'll be gone through Sunday. So I thought this would be a good excuse to use the travel sticker book because I really haven't dabbled into it too much since I first bought it. So I did do some pre-planning because I found out that the travel sticker book really doesn't have a lot of functional stickers outside of traveling. So I went ahead and went through some old sticker books and just grabbed a few things out of the travel sticker book so I wouldn't be flipping around too much. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use the sidebar here as my packing list. And so I actually got a packing list sticker. Now, Happy Planner does have, and I think they're at Hobby Lobby if you're interested in them, they have some half sheets. In fact, I have them somewhere, I just don't know where they're at. But they have half sheets for traveling, and they kind of have a packing list on the back and kind of an itinerary on the front if that's what you're interested in doing. But in this case, I'm going to actually use my planner pages. So let's see. The first thing I have going on this week is I've got to pay some bills because I got some adulting to do. I have to pay my kids' mom's day out and I have to pay my husband's life insurance. So I'm just going to stick that on my Monday to-dos. And let's see. So Thursday I'm leaving and I'm just trying to so I'm going to go ahead and mark that right here. And we're going to try to get in a couple of hours on the road because I have two kids under the age of 4. And so it's a 6-hour drive to go see my friend. So I'm not looking forward to the drive at all. I'm looking forward to seeing my friend, but not the drive. So we're going to try to get in a couple of hours on Thursday on the road, maybe 2 hours. And then that way Friday is only like 4 hours of driving instead of like 6 hours of driving. So I'm going to go ahead and so this is like still primarily our main travel day. I'm going to put that, oops, putting this on crooked, y'all. I'm going to put that on here. On Thursday, I do need to wash the car and I need to pack the car. While my husband's working, I need to clean out the inside of the car and I'm just going to put like a little car icon from the travel sticker book just because it's cute. But I need to wash the car, clean the inside out, do all that fun stuff. And then here I'm going to kind of put, the time that I expect to leave and that kind of stuff. And let's see here. So I've been trying to be kind of good at destashing my old sticker books. So I have some chores I need to get done on Tuesday. So I'm gonna put just a little, kind of like a little bullet list here. I'm pretty sure I actually got these from the Essential Planning book. I actually had kind of a hard time trying to find stickers that kind of went with the travel colors. The travel sticker book really has kind of a palette all on its own. So I really couldn't do a ton with the colors. Like I went through the colorful boxes sticker book and I really couldn't, you know what? I'm gonna switch this up a little bit because I found something that I like. I found something that I want to do. So I've got some chores to do Wednesday and Tuesday. So I'm going to just kind of stick that here. like that. I know that kind of overlaps a little bit, but I don't really care. And then, so I'm using one of these old like Planner Basic kind of sticker books. This is the one I'm talking about. It's an old book. It's been around for a long time, but I've been trying to be good about going back in there and using some of these old stickers because they, you know, once the excitement wears off on the sticker book, it's like, you know, the new sticker books come out and then you don't really feel like using the old ones. Can we just be real about that? Like that, at least that's me. I get excited about the new stuff and then I kind of forget about the old ones. So I'm going to leave a lot of space here on these days because in all honesty, I'm not entirely sure about what our itinerary is going to look like once I'm visiting my friend. She's in a small town, so there's not going to be like, it's not like I'm going to be doing theme parks or anything like that, or, you know, I'm really going to visit her. But I still expect to go do a few things even in her small town. So I'm gonna just kind of leave the space open. I'm not gonna do a ton of decorating on those days. I do have an appointment, a nail appointment before I leave on Wednesday. So I'm gonna just do that and that. And let's see. I also need to remind myself, and I'm going to just put it here, that on Thursday I need to take my trash out. And I'll probably just have one of my neighbors bring in my trash can, but I don't want to forget that before I leave. And Monday I have some yard work to do, so I'm just going to stick that here. I do have a busy week. I'm going to put a little time thing here. I'm not sure what time we're going to set off, but that's what I'm going to put there in that spot. And then, let's see. Yeah, I hear my neighbor a couple of doors down doing his yard, and I'm like, I hope my microphone's not picking that up. That'd be really annoying. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some quotes in here to fill in the blanks. Like I said, I expect to be like on the road most of Friday. So, and like Saturday, I think is just going to be kind of staying there at her house and just kind of visiting. So I'm not expecting to like have a whole bunch of stuff in my planner. So honestly, I'm just going to kind of fill it up with some quotes and make that really cute. Okay. And Sunday, we'll be heading back. So I'm going to leave some space there for our itinerary on Sunday. And I'm going to put a couple of palm trees, even though she's like nowhere next to a beach, just to get those vacation vibes. All right, and then I'm gonna do a to-do as well, right there. All right, I'm keeping it really simple, y'all. This is a really simple plan with me because it's kind of gonna be an unusual week. So that's kind of it. I did get this one from the Essential Planning. I got this from the Budget Sticker Book. Pretty much everything else is from these two sticker books. Those are the ones I used. I'm not doing a big elaborate to-do this week, just because I know I've got chores and things to take care of at the house, and then the rest of the time is going to be on the road. So It's going to be kind of, a lot of white space this week. It's very different from my other spreads, but I want to thank you for watching and thank you for joining me. It's a real quick video, but I hope that's given you some ideas on how you might use the travel sticker book. Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.